Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to update Adobe Acrobat Pro. Let's begin. Updating the Adobe Acrobat 9 Pro or upgrading to a newer version can offer several important benefits even though it's an older version. So, for example, you have already opened your Adobe Acrobat. All I have to do is go to the upper left corner where you can see the menu, and from here just click on the help section, and there should be an option that says check for updates. If you click that, what will happen is there's going to be a small pop-up like a dialog box here, and as you can see, the latest version of the Adobe Acrobat Pro is already installed and no updates available. But if you do, all you have to do is just follow the instructions. All right. Now, if you are using the Adobe Acrobat, the online version, there isn't much of an option here for you to click on the update, because since it is a web version, you see, it's automatically updated. All right. But if you want, you can simply go to the Adobe Acrobat web page, wherein this is the most updated version, or the say for example the latest update. Okay, just go here, try to download again, for example this one, click on that, click on the Adobe Acrobat Pro, and you would be forwarded to this option right here. All right, so right now I'm using the subscription, which is on free trial. All I have to do is click on continue, and you would notice that once you have downloaded the Acrobat Pro, obviously it is going to be the latest update available to your account. All right. Similarly, if you're having problems updating your Adobe Acrobat Pro, you might want to consult the customer support for Adobe. All right. And from here, these are going to be the channels where you can reach them. You have the enterprise admin support, team admin support, and from this, you might want to type in your question here again to see if you get an answer from the Adobe virtual assistant. Normally, if you get a hold of one of the customer support staff, they will give you insights and troubleshooting steps on how to fix them. All right. It's very important when using the latest version, demonstrates that you are using the current technology, which can enhance your credibility when working with clients, customers, or in a professional settings. Because if you frequently collaborate with others, updating ensures compatibility with newer versions of Acrobat or other PDF software used by colleagues, clients, or if you're working with multiple freelancers or even partners. All right. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.